This is the title that has immense values for development of individual or development of an institute. We always talk about in terms of knowledge, in terms of skill set, but every individual, in addition to having some knowledge, aptitude, and skill set, need to have values as well, human values as well. So when we say that the personality is a great personality, so the individual needs to demonstrate, needs to exhibit some personality traits. So let's understand in this course that what is personality development, what do we understand by personality development, what is the importance of personality development, how does it help an individual and the society and organization to lead the sustainable growth, sustainable progress in the life. So the holistic way of leading life, holistic way of contributing something in the society is trained, depicted by what is called as personality development. So let us understand the personality development and human values just as an overview in this lecture. In coming lectures, we'll understand all the components of personality development and human values one by one in detail. So the first process in the area of personality development is to know yourself. If you want to grow yourself, you have to know yourself. The most of the time, the biggest difficulty is we don't know ourselves. So therefore, we have to find ourselves. Where is my strength? What actually I am, who I am, what I can do, what potentials I have, what are strengths and weaknesses I do have. So that needs to be introspected, and therefore you need to yourself. So if you want to know your worth, if you want to know your strength, you have to see yourself, you have to introspect yourself is the first process in having great personality. And therefore, in the field of personality development, this is very important to know yourself. Next, when you are setting certain goals, next task is dream big. Your dream must be big, and in order to achieve your dream, you need to set goals, and then according to your goals, you need to perform the task. It's not like that just setting the goal and doing nothing. And as far as setting your goals are concerned, all your goals need to be smart goals. As far as specific, M for measurable, A for attainable or achievable, R for relevant or result oriented, and T for time bound. So your goal must be specific. What exactly you are trying to achieve? It must be, there must be clarity. Measurable, how you will know when you have achieved it. So when you achieve certain goal, you must be able to measure, assess it that you have achieved it. It must be achievable or attainable. Is it genuinely possible to achieve it? So don't set the goal which is not achievable. Your dream must be big, but your goals must be achievable, attainable. Does it contribute to your agency's revenue growth or your personal growth if it applies to your individual? So whether it is relevant or result oriented, that you have to see in your goal. When do you want to achieve this by? So for every goal, you have to set the time. In each time frame, you have to achieve your goal. So when do you expect, when do you want to achieve a particular goal? So setting the goal, and goals need to be smart goals that you have to keep in mind. Align your actions to goals, just not setting the goal and forgetting, doing nothing. You have to perform the task, you have to be committed, you have to have positive attitude, and your commitment must be aligned. Your activities, your engagement, your work, your actions must be aligned to the goals. Then only you can achieve your goal, and finally your dream can come true. And for that, positive attitude matters. When you have positive attitude, it will lead to positive result. If you have negative attitude, it will weaken your commitment towards the goal. So negative attitude creates a lot of challenges. The biggest problem is it will weaken your commitment, it will weaken your motivation, it will weaken your encouragement, and you will not be able to reach to your goals. you will lose your enthusiasm. Therefore, have positive attitude. Chase your dreams. Once you have, you have set your goals, you have a big dream, but you need to chase your goals by commitment, by the committed efforts, by positive attitude, by enthusiasm, by self motivation, and so on. Nothing great was ever achieved with enthusiasm. Therefore, be enthusiastic. You need to have great energy, great enthusiasm. Then you can definitely achieve it. We will discuss about all these things individually in coming lectures. Self confidence you must have. You have to believe in yourself. You have to have self esteem. You have to, respect your worth. You have to have faith in your worth, and you have to have positive spirit, and you have to love yourself. So when you care about yourself, when you love yourself, when you believe in yourself, when you believe in your potential, no one can, stop you in reaching to your goals in a sustainable manner. And, your dream can definitely come true. And you will also be a good personality, and you'll be able to attract the people, and you'll be able to contribute for the society, whatever you want to do. So stress, handling the stress is very important. These are the only examples: thinking positive, sleeping well, grow a plant, start a hobby, doing some physical activities, mental activities. But what is important is handling the stress. You need to handle the stress if you have to have very positive and impressive personality. We'll discuss about how to handle stress in detail later. Don't worry, just be happy. Your positive spirit and enthusiasm must not, be lost. Always have a positive enthusiasm and always be happy. Something which is making unhappy, just forget about it. Just try to divert your attention from the factors which are causing worries and stress in you, and just feel blissful that you are blessed here in the world, and you are here for a particular task, for the objective. Therefore, feel the bliss, feel the infinite bliss in you, and you'll exhibit, demonstrate your huge potential. What is important is lifelong learning. Don't stop learning. Advanced training, be it in terms of development of competence, development of skill set, knowledge, learning, experience, ability, growth, sustainable growth, set up skills, and so on. Keep going, keep learning, never stop learning, because lifelong learning is the key to huge success. Lifelong learning is the key to have, you know, great attributes of personality. And ethics and morals you need to have. You need to practice ethical values. You need to be of high standards, in terms of morality, ethics, and human values. Emotional intelligence, in addition to knowledge, intelligent quotient, the aptitude, you need to also have emotional intelligence. You need to have balance between your brain and heart, self-awareness, empathy for others, motivation, self-motivation, self-control, self-regulation, social skills, relationship skills. How do you relate? How do you, maintain relation with the society, other people of the society? All these are covered in emotional intelligence. And holistic lifestyle, physically, mentally, you need to be fit. Socially, you must be interactive. You have to mix with other people, and you need to also be, spiritual. Some kind of meditation, some kind of mindful practices you need to do, so that you can lead holistic way of life. As I told you, you need to have balance between your heart and brain, what is called as emotional quotient or emotional intelligence. Lead quality life, lead healthy life, holistic health, social relationship you maintain very well. Emotional well-being is very important. Work honestly, work smartly. Always take care of your personal safety and belonging. Always take care about financial well-being and quality of environment as well. Love environment and love the, nature. And of course, the ethics, which include a number of things, number of factors: integrity, value, honor, choice, conscience, responsibility, principles, honesty, right? So give the ethical values, human values, very high priority in your life. You will be considered as a great personality. You will have great, tremendous amount of satisfaction in yourself. And practice what you preach is very important. Simply, practicing this is good, what is not good. But whatever you are, what you want to see in others, you have to start practicing in yourself. And After that, you need to have strong willpower. Without strong willpower, it's not possible to achieve anything. So therefore, stay strong, have strong willpower. Anything you can do and anything you can achieve. And then resilience is very important. Resilience is why important. It gives the abilities for advancing despite a number of adversities. You can advance yourself. So be proactive, have great vision, and then you can fight against any kind of adversity. So resilience is very important in order to lead a good life in anyone's life. And what is the most important thing is take it easy, keep going, make it easy, get it easy. Take it easy approach. Don't stress yourself. Keep it easy, take it easy, keep going. You will achieve whatever you want to do. Thank you so much.